Hey guys, so welcome to Stack. Today I'll be showing you how to scan photos on iPhone. So guys, we are going to utilizing the built-in feature of iPhone. So to do that, you just simply go for the Notes application into your device. And now over here, you can just simply go ahead and create a new one at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now over here, as you can see, you will have an option, the clip icon, and you will have an option over here to scan documents or scan text. So to scan photos, select scan documents over here, guys. And once you have a scan a document, it will open up your camera. And I have a sample photo over here. And pretty much, for example, this is my document. And automatically, guys, it will scan the document and just simply select save on the bottom right corner of the screen. And pretty much, you should be able to scan a specific photo on iPhone. And it will look something like this. Automatically, it will take a screenshot, and pretty much that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And guys, if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. And thanks for watching.